Welcome to this 3-bedroom house for sale in Haven Hills, East London, Eastern Cape, South Africa for R850,000. We are thrilled to bring to you this 3-bedroomed modern house in Haven Hills, East London. This home offers a spacious cozy open-plan lounge and has a well-equipped kitchen. The kitchen is well equipped with a fitted stove and under-counter oven and washing machine connection. The bedrooms are tiled and with built-in wardrobes, with aluminium windows that are all fitted with burglar bars. The main bedroom features an ensuite shower. All windows secured with burglars, alarm security, fully walled outside. The property is also close to local schools, a shopping centre. Call Penny now to make an appointment to view this home before someone else beats you to it. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.